Okay, this is changing the shape of a data set. So we've imported the dependencies, we've imported the data set, and we've condensed the data set just to show these examples. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at a pivot table in Pandas, and we're going to take the product category and we're going to transpose it into columns. So let's do it. Product category to columns, and we'll take the condensed sales data. Oops, and we'll put it into a pivot table. So pivot table, and the values will be gross sales, obviously. The index will be customer group. And as we said before, the columns will be the product category. Product category. And what you might notice when you use the pivot table function is the default agfunc is mean, so you want to actually use sum. Agfunc equals sum. Okay, so let's have a look and see how that looks. So head. Alright, and now we've got the fruit and vegetables over in the column, so we've transposed it across. If we wanted to put that back and keep that aggregation, that agfunc, we can. We can just unstack it, so we'll say unstack and PC to columns dot unstack, and what we're going to do is we're going to get this to repeat, so we'll reset the index, then we'll set the index to customer group. And how does that look? Unstack, and then we put it back with its aggregation. So a market that's super fruit is 4558983. A market that's super 45589, same number. Okay, and then if you wanted to get a little bit strange, let's say you take the index and then transpose it, you can just go unstack.t and rotate it this way. I don't normally use this, but if you might come up with that in your own project. Okay, thanks for watching.